I'm living in Newport Beach, Orange County, California, and I've been there for about 10 years, but I love the East Coast. I love the feeling I have when I'm here. It feels like home.
I'm Krell, and I'm moving back to my hometown of Philadelphia.
Matt brought me back to the East Coast, Philadelphia. We dated back in 2007 for about 10 months, and we kind of lost touch after that. And then I found him on Facebook, and I messaged him like, where have you been? And we started talking on the phone, but it was literally like 11 years later. It was really exciting. We went on a few dates, and at that point I hadn't really thought about moving back, but he came out to visit me in California for like 2 weeks, and we had to make a decision, so we made that decision. He started looking at places and was sending me pictures, and I was like, no way I would ever live there. So I really felt that I needed to be here with him looking, because I can be very particular about things. So I really needed to come back and, you know, house hunt with him.
The townhouse is brand new construction, 3-bedroom, 3.5 baths, so every bedroom did have its own bathroom. Great roof deck for entertaining in the summer.
I am nervous. I mean, this is my first home, like, ever. So to share it with him I'm really excited. Wow, I love the floor. It's gorgeous. I really love that lighting fixture with the Edison bulbs.
The flooring's beautiful, the range is beautiful.
This countertop is nice.
The kitchen's really open. I really liked it, the granite, the whole space, the flow of it.
And the appliances and the countertop, everything's brand new, which I really like that.
All right, guys, to the right you have the master bedroom. Walk in, you have closet space to your right, and to your left, your master bathroom.
I thought the master bedroom was good. It's just a little small, but the closet space is good, so.
It was all about the closet space. You know. It is a little tight quarters, but the shower is beautiful, the room was beautiful, the floors are beautiful. It was a really nice space. I love how the pillows are chopped. You know what I mean? It's not a put them on like this. Look, put them on like this, and then go like this. And that's how they set it. That's called staging.
Staging, okay.
And this is your roof deck.
Wow.
You can spend your summer evenings out here or your cool fall days.
I love this. I would basically put like a lounger, you know, some tables.
A deck bed?
Yes.
A barbecue. Yes. I could be out here cooking burgers for you in the summer. Veggie burgers, of course.
Of course.
Yes. Yeah. It's a little big for her and I. You know, it's our first place we're looking for, and so maybe something a little smaller, but gorgeous all in all.
I thought the outside deck was perfect. I really like that space. You know, we can do a lot of entertaining up there.
Yes, it was definitely a selling point. She loves the outdoors in the summertime. I'm more of a fall guy. You know, the heat is a little much for me. In Philly, you get the worst of both. You get 100 degrees in the summer, 10 degrees in the winter. So I'm like kind of in the middle. So, but I really liked that the space was open and a lot of entertaining space to do up there.
Being apart for so long, I can't believe we're doing this now.
Tell me about it. I know. Social media is doing big things, isn't it?
Yes.
From meeting on MySpace back in the day to reconnecting through Facebook.
Who would have known a little DM in MySpace
Who would have known?
Would have ended up
there it is right there.
Where we are now.
You inboxing me, and now look at this.
That's kind of crazy.
I'm so happy with that.
I know, me too.
All right, guys, this is the trail house. It's right near the Wissahickon Park. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, approximately 2,000 square feet. Let's take a look. Let's check it out.
I like the outside, but
I love the door.
I like the Edison bulbs and this one too, and this spacious island. I like the open format.
I like the open floor and the ceilings, the high ceilings, but I mean,
Hollow in here.
I don't know about outside. See it out there?
The outside, yeah.
It looks like a swamp. I like the kitchen area and the whole flow of the one room, the main, I guess the grand room of it, how it's all one floor plan, and you know, you can kind of, a lot of open space. I'm kind of an open air space kind of guy.
So upstairs we have the other 2 bedrooms. Let's take a look. This will be the master.
This bedroom's a little too small.
It's a little small. Everything's so white.
This is the roof deck. The only access is through the master.
So everybody we have to come through here to get to the
Yes.
roof deck? Oh, check this out.
Whoa.
And you have your roof deck.
It's like too exposed.
Seems like everybody's got a vantage point on us. Even though we're a little bit above them, they can see us.
Yes.
I don't like that.
No.
It's like Big Brother's watching
Unless
you.
we put a privacy fence up, and I'm not about that.
No. I thought the trail house was okay. I'm just not a fan of the area that it's in.
Yeah. I wasn't feeling the vibe and the energy of the, I guess the spirits in the neighborhood.
Those stairs are...
I won't even have to go to the gym. I can just do the stair climb right there. There's 100 steps to get to the roof deck. And then you got to take 100 down. It was really nice. Super clean.
It's gorgeous. I do prefer more of like the natural light in this one that we just saw. The natural light was popping. The Couch Tomato is a restaurant on Main Street. We really like going there. The food is delicious and the staff is just super friendly.
I'm very happy there. For sure. Yeah, pen. Let me get a pen. Do a little hand. I think your time had come to an end out there, and coming back here is a good thing.
I agree.
Coming back home, see your friends and family.
I know my mom is super happy that you brought me back to the East Coast,
Yeah, she tells
where
me.
I belong.
I like the mustard one. Well, let me try this.
This is nice.
Put it on. How do you even put it on?
I don't know.
What is it?
It's over your head. It's like a scarf.
You're gonna mess your hair up? You're gonna mess your hair up?
The brick house is a older home, very cozy, a lot of character, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Well, let's go inside and take a look.
I love this old school donut curve. It's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so new floors throughout, living room. It is an older house, so it is plaster, so you're not going to have perfectly straight walls, but that's to the character.
I love how open it is, how it's just kind of like this whole part is open and we have this spacious living room into the dining room.
My first impression of the brick house was when I walked in, the flooring, the colors, all the flow of it, very open, very light. I loved it, you know.
Okay, let's go in the kitchen and take a look.
Wow, I love how spacious it is.
I love the cabinets.
I do feel like the appliances could need some updating.
The kitchen was a little outdated. You know, the cabinets were okay. The stove's a little old. The sink could use a little bit of updating, but you know, with a little bit of work, I think TLC it could all come together.
And then out the back door, it leads out to a deck that's the width of the back of the house, and then you do have a little yard space behind it.
Let's go take a look.
Top of the steps on the right, you have a guest bedroom, and around the corner, heading towards the front of the house, you have your bathroom, and then the master suite.
Wow, there's a lot of natural light.
I love the bricks.
The exposed
Look, the
brick.
radiator heating too, babe, look.
I thought the upstairs was great. I like that hallway. Yeah, I think it was really nice.
I love the master, the brick on the wall, you know, the open space. The lighting especially, you know, everything looks, I really liked it. And there is a spare bedroom in case you want to set up any of your design stuff in there to do work in too.
Yes, it's a good space for that.
And me being a snorer too, you know, if you can't sleep in the same bedroom, there is a spare bedroom for you to sleep in. Because
Yes, there is.
I know sometimes I keep you up at night. And that's
Yes,
a
I know.
so.
My first impressions of the brick house was I love the charming feel of it. I love how open and spacious it is. The natural lighting coming in was just really nice.
I agree with the lighting, the free flowing, the open floor plan. The bedroom, especially the brick, is probably my favorite part of the house.
So what did you think about the brick house?
That was a long day, first of all.
Yes, it was.
I thought the brick house I loved it actually. The only thing I noticed was the corner, the four-way stop sign, the stopping and going of the traffic.
Yes.
And the noise possibly of the cars.
Overall, I liked when you walked into the brick house that it was just, you walk into the living room, everything is open.
Right.
Compared to the other houses,
Sure.
everything kind of felt like when you walked in, you didn't know where you were, it was confined. I was opening up doors, you know, the closets I thought was the bathroom. It was just, the layout was just confusing overall.
You need a map to get through the house.
Pretty much.
Both of the trail house and the townhouse, both of the stairwells were on the left-hand side of the house going all the way up. 3 flights, what, 4 flights of stairs? I'm not trying to climb 4 flights of stairs to get to my bedroom.
I like the townhouse as well. I like the openness of it, but it did feel like a little bit too big, especially just for the 2 of us, and a little bit high for our price range.
Right. I love the deck on the top and the layout and the appliances. The bedroom was a little small, but for the most part it was beautiful.
I do like the openness of the trail house with the bay window and the light coming in. And then I like the idea of the sun deck, but I didn't like how exposed it was.
And if we really want it to be private, we'd have to put a fence up around the top, and I'm not feeling it. Then you have to take a detour through the master bedroom to get to the deck. So, you know, too much traffic, too many people coming through the bedroom. So going forward, I say out of the 3, I think we're left with 2, the brick house and the townhouse. And the trail house, although it was okay, it's not an option. So we got 2 options left.
Yes, a lot to think about.
A lot of homework to do. So after a grueling search, we are finally done with the hunt, and we have come to a decision.
We did it. We picked the brick house. We love it, and I'm so excited to be back home on the East Coast. We really loved how charming and comfortable the house felt. We loved the floors and the wall.
I loved, you first walk up to the house, there's this old school door knocker on the front door. The hardwood floors, they're gray. The walls are gray. It's warm. It feels right.
I'm so happy to be back here. California was a great run. I was there for 10 years. I got to accomplish my dream of moving there, but in the end, I'm an East Coast girl.
And I'm super excited. Krell's back on the East Coast, where she belongs.
Yeah.
And we are thrilled to be here together.